Hi, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. Here today I'm going to show you my aluminum 2-car hauler Deckover equipment trailer. This was made by Wolverine Trailers. It's 35 foot. You've got a 30-foot flat with a 5-foot dovetail and slide out ramps on the rear. Now, we've added lots of D-rings, so you've got D-rings going the full length of the trailer. A bunch of them, I don't know how many, I can't count that high. We've added stake pockets down the side. You've got rub rails down the side as well, so you can tie down here if you need to, or build some sides up for it, whatever you're doing. Now, these are great for 2-car haulers. You can also use them for UTVs, side-by-sides, Jeeps. Drive anything up on them, haul them all. Now, you've got a all aluminum frame. It's got an 8-inch wraparound tongue, goes all the way back to the front axle, and then an 8-inch main frame. We've got triple 7,000-pound axles underneath the back here. You've got aluminum mag wheels to go with these axles, so we're not doing any, as little steel as possible. But like I said, 7,000 pounds, that'll give you a 21,000 pounds GVWR. We can downrate that if you want to stay non-CDL, keep it 12, 14,000 pounds. Just let us know. All aluminum frame, all aluminum deck as well. We can do it wood deck or aluminum deck. Now in the back, you have the slide out ramps. There is also LED lights and stabilizer jacks if you need a little bit of extra support coming underneath the back. Like I said, you got stabilizer jacks on the rear here. If you need a little bit of extra support when you're loading something heavier, they drop down right here, pull out ramps, pull the pin, slide the ramp out. Now you can hook the ramps onto the rail here. You can slide them anywhere across for different wheelbases. You've got smaller vehicles, Jeeps, golf carts. Golf cart people also love these aluminum deck covers. You can get 2 golf carts side by side. Real simple, real easy to load. On this one, I'd say 6 or 8, depending on the size of the golf carts, maybe even 10. I didn't do the math before I started talking. Now, we do aluminum floors, wood floors. We have a number of different size car haulers. Come see us today. We're located in Byron, Georgia. 478-654-5350.